Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your Epic Games login error. So if you're facing an error when you're trying to log in into your Epic Games account, the first thing I will suggest you to do is check if the password or login detail you entered is correct. Because if you enter incorrect one, of course it's going to show you an error. But even after entering the correct information, if it still shows you login error, then I will suggest you to check your internet. Sometimes due to slow internet as well, it causes the problem. But if your internet is fast and the information you entered is correct, it's still showing this issue, then check if Epic Games servers are down. Because sometimes due to a problem, Epic Games server goes down. So on your browser, you want to search for Epic Games down detector. Click on this. It'll show you if it is down or not. So it says no problem at Epic Games, which means their servers are not down. But if it showed you problem in Epic Games, that means their servers are down. That is the reason why you're not able to log. And to fix that issue, the only thing you can do is wait until they fix the problem. And the next thing is try using a VPN. Sometimes Epic Games does not work in a particular country, so use a VPN, connect to a random country, try to log in into your account. It should be fixed. And also try to make sure that your account is not banned. If it is banned as well, it's not going to allow you to log in into your account, so check that. And if you're trying to log in into your account using Epic Games Launcher, then I will suggest you to delete your Epic Games Launcher and reinstall it again. Sometimes a bug causes the problem, so deleting and reinstalling the launcher should also fix the issue. So I hope you understand how you guys can fix Epic Games login error. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.